Every time you pay your credit card bills on CRED, you earn CRED coins. Use them to claim exclusive rewards and cashback.
After watching so many interesting ads and see cricketers, dancers and singers do weird stuff, I finally downloaded the CRED app to see what was all the buzz about. All I had to do was add my mobile number, verify it with OTP, and CRED scanned all the credit cards associated with my mobile number. Hi, my name is Jay Dattani, and in today's video, we will cover everything you need to know about CRED. I had a credit score of 750 and above, which allowed me to join the CRED membership and use the app. The next step was allowing the CRED app to scan my emails and SMSs, after which it got all the details related to my credit cards, like the date of payment, the interest charges, and the hidden charges which I didn't even know about. And that's not it. After that moment, CRED started giving me notifications about all the things related to my credit card bill payments. And now, I never miss even a single payment or a due date. Every time I make a payment through CRED, I receive some really exciting offers and cashbacks. In simple terms, I used to pay my credit card bills through bank's application or website. But now, doing the same thing via CRED app helps me earn some extra money. This clearly shows why CRED has gained so much popularity among credit card users. And in just 5 years, almost 25% of the credit card payments are done through CRED. But how is CRED earning by providing cashbacks to customers? CRED currently doesn't have any concrete source of revenue as such, but there are many interesting ways in which CRED is earning money. CRED Stash. CRED, in collaboration with IDFC Bank, is providing short-term loans to its users and earns in the form of interest from these customers. As we mentioned before, customers with a credit score of 750 and above are members of CRED app, which means there is a very low chance of someone defaulting a payment, which helps CRED in providing instant approval on the short-term loans. CRED Store. Another important area of CRED to earn revenue is commission from brands who want to promote or sell their products on the CRED app. We all know credit card users are known for spending money, and any business would want to promote their products on a platform where almost all the users are rich and are ready to spend the money. CRED Rent Pay. We all know credit cards can only be used for payments of products and services, but they cannot be used for payments of rents and deposits. But using CRED, credit card users can now pay their monthly rent to landlords, and CRED charges a commission of 1 to 2% on such payment. CRED Payment Gateway. CRED also acts as a payment gateway for many websites and applications, which makes it easier for users to directly make a payment through CRED app, where they can also use the reward points which they have received for making bill payments. This helps CRED in earning a good commission on every transaction. CRED Mint. It's another very interesting feature on the CRED app, where they connect people who have some extra funds and want to invest them into the market to people who require funds either for their personal or professional use. If we look at some numbers, CRED provides an interest rate of 9% to all the money lenders, and at the same time charge an interest rate of up to 15% to all the borrowers, which clearly shows a good source of revenue for CRED. Well, this is not officially disclosed by CRED, but it seems to be a good source of revenue for them: customer data. Before discussing this point, let's clear out one thing. CRED is an RBI approved app, and it doesn't sell customer data according to its privacy policy. But these policies keep on changing, and CRED can always provide consultancy services using this data. Now, it's a very important point for all of us to consider. CRED is dealing with the top 1% of the credit card users in India. This means that people using CREDs are the ones who actually spend a lot of money. And at the same time, having a credit score of 750 and above proves that they have a capacity to pay back this money. CRED knows which products people are buying and many other such information. For example, they exactly know where I spend a lot of my money and other such related things about my spending habits, which many believe is a gold mine for CRED. Because businesses are ready to pay a lot of money to get information of such high-paying potential customers, and currently, CRED is the only company that can provide such kind of a data. Despite having multiple sources of revenue, CRED is still a loss-making company. But the kind of funding it is raising, and at the same time the strategies Mr. Kunal Shah is known for using, it will be very interesting to know the future plans of CRED. Before we move towards the future plans of CRED, There are two important things which you need to know. A very interesting piece of data shows that last year, CRED spent almost 727 rupees to earn a revenue of 1 rupees, which means CRED is spending a lot of money to acquire new customers. CRED is spending money from its own funds to provide customers with all the cashbacks and offers which they receive while making a payment. And at the same time, it has been seen that CRED is spending a lot of money on advertising and promoting the CRED app. You name any of the ads created by CRED, may it be the Rahul Dravid complaining about traffic or Kumar Sanu selling insurance or Anil Kapoor dancing, they all are so interesting and are promoted so well on YouTube, Twitter and various other such platforms during IPL. By the way, we are going to soon make a video on the marketing and advertising strategy of CRED. So do subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos. And the second point which we need to know is RBI recently launched a new policy when all the RuPay credit card holders can register themselves on the UPI applications and they can make payment through UPI apps via their credit cards. This means you can use Google Pay, Phone Pay and other such UPI apps to make payments through your credit cards. We all know how UPI has dominated the Indian payment market, and with RBI allowing usage of credit cards in UPI payments, it will increase the usage of credit cards in India, ultimately helping CRED in increasing their customer base. Now that CRED has started becoming the go-to app for all the credit card users, they are all set to explore new areas. CRED is now focusing upon two major areas. First is group buying and second is video commerce. CRED Group Buy. Group buy is a concept that is popular in countries like China these days. In simple terms, an e-commerce platform acts as a group buyer for a big number of customers who want to buy a product. Since they are buying it at a bulk quantity, they receive a good discount, ultimately customers getting the products at a cheaper rate. Customers get their products at a cheaper rate. The e-commerce platform receives a commission and at the same time, seller receives a bulk order. Let's understand this group buy feature of CRED with an example. Let's say I want to buy a USB cable and it's charged at 150 rupees on the CRED app. I can pay 150 rupees and buy it then and there, or join a group buy cart where if there are 200 people who want to buy this cable, then each one of us will get this cable at 100 rupees each. But we all have to wait till this 200 people are ready to buy one individual product. This concept is a bit new and complicated for Indian customers, but many big giants like Tata, Reliance and CRED are now working on it. If you want a detailed video on group buying business, then do let us know in the comments below. CRED has launched a group buy feature on their platform for a few popular products. And if you wish to buy these products at a cheaper rate, then you can join their group buy cart, video commerce. Though there is not much clarity on how CRED will do it, they now wish to explore the video commerce business. They now aim to create more engagement on their app, making people stay on their platform for a longer time, ultimately increasing their sales. And the UI of their website and app, which has already been awarded by many organizations, will surely help them in achieving this goal. Now it will be very interesting for all of us to know how these new features on the app will work out for them. But looking at their existing features of allowing users to deposit and lend money, manage their credit cards, take loans from the app and other such interesting features, CRED is almost acting like a bank. Does this mean that CRED can start its own Neobank just like Jupiter and FiMoney? Let us know what are your thoughts on this in the comments below, and do hit the like button if you learned something new after watching this video, and subscribe to our channel.